God damn it. Look at this goddamn damage. Who is going to pay for this? Oh! Speed bumps. Oh! Oh! Why would they put bumps on a road that was meant to be driven on? Oh!
Hey, look, honey. We nabbed another sucker.
Ha ha! Yeah, I'm gonna be late because of these damn speed bumps. Yeah.
You're fired.
Speed bumps? Speed bumps? Quick bumps? Speed 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 bumps?
Oh no! He's on to us! He's going crazy!
Oh, my God! Call the police! Help!
Do you realize that speed bumps not only cause all this unnecessary violence, but they also cost taxpayers hundreds of thousands of dollars as well? Just why would the city of Berkeley install these dangerous obstructions and smoothly resurface roads which cost taxpayers millions of dollars?
Speed bumps? If it wasn't for them, we wouldn't be able to catch up with those freaking hot rod punks. Speeding tickets? That's city revenue, buddy.
Now, wait a minute. We put those speed bumps in because we wanted to protect our children and ourselves from all those speeding cops and robbers running around.
It don't make no difference if they put the speed bumps there anyways. We'll just beef up our suspension and catch air out the things anyways. Hell yeah!
Man, speed bumps is the best thing to be slowing down the cops when they're chasing me. Ain't nobody gonna be catching me when they're going over these bumps, you see? You know what I'm saying, G?
I never wanted to put those speed bumps there in the first place, man. Those anal neighbors across the street. Man, conservatives trying to get me to sign petitions to put in speed bumps, spend my tax dollars.
Based on what we've heard, these speed bumps benefit only the riffraff of society.
Damn straight!
Word up, G. Wait a minute. Riffraff? I'm certainly not riffraff. I'm a police officer. And it's another thing about those...
It's ironic that concerned neighbors would think that speed bumps were benefiting them when speed bumps are really working against them. Needless to say, it's still their responsibility to have to deal with the consequences of their mistake.
Yeah, I'm going crazy with all these people honking. I can't take it anymore.
Why are you honking? What's up with that? That's what you get. I didn't cause this. I didn't put these speed bumps here. What are you doing?
Man, this speed bump violence is the best thing that's happened since TV.
Hell yeah!
Man, that skateboarding looks fun. Let's try it.
Go for it!
All right.
Hey, those speed bumps aren't here for your entertainment. They're here for ours. I mean, it's here to keep riffraff like you away from here.
Hey, man, share the road. I want to get radical, too. Oh, man! How you doing, man? Hey, come back! I ain't playing.
So what is the moral of this story? To use fair caution and extreme solitude to avoid the riffraff of society? Or to live with the reaction caused by your actions? Well, I don't know about you, but I never supported this measure. So come on, let's join the fun. Do your part. Protest against finicky, cold-shouldered neighbors. Skating is fun, speed bumps. Try it. you can also catch air on your bike. And when you're tired, you can kick back, have a beer, and laugh at people having to slow down and other speed bump mishaps. Hell, they should put speed bumps everywhere.
I'll try to get